How many of you are truly aware of your daily protein intake? Are you getting enough protein in your diet? Well, let's talk about it. Proteins, folks, are the building blocks of life. They're not just a buzzword thrown around in fitness circles, they're a vital component of every cell in our bodies. Proteins do a lot of work within us, like repairing body tissues, making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. They are essential for the growth and repair of muscles, which is why fitness enthusiasts are always on the lookout for protein-rich foods and supplements. Now, whether you're a gym goer looking to build some serious muscle, or simply someone who's conscious about their health, you'll want to ensure that you're getting enough protein. But where do you start? Well, you're in the right place because we'll be discussing various high-protein foods and supplements and their benefits. So, stay tuned as we delve into the world of high-protein foods and supplements. Now let's dive into the high-protein food sources that you can easily incorporate into your diet. First up, we have lean meats like chicken and turkey. These are excellent sources of protein and can be cooked in a variety of ways. A single serving of chicken breast, for instance, contains around 26 grams of protein. Similarly, turkey is another lean meat that packs a protein punch, with over 24 grams per serving. Next, we have fish like salmon and tuna. Not only are they rich in protein, but they also offer a good dose of omega-3 fatty acids. A serving of salmon boasts about 23 grams of protein, while a serving of tuna has around 25 grams. Eggs are another high-protein food option. One large egg contains roughly 6 grams of protein. Dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also protein powerhouses, with Greek yogurt providing about 10 grams per serving, and cottage cheese offering 14 grams. Let's not forget about plant-based protein sources. Lentils, for example, provide 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, and quinoa, a pseudo-grain, provides 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. These foods, when incorporated into your diet, can significantly boost your protein intake. But what if you need an extra protein punch? For those of you who need an extra protein boost, protein supplements can be a convenient and effective solution. Let's dive into some of the most popular options. First up, we have whey protein, a dairy-based supplement that's packed with all the essential amino acids your body craves. A single serving of whey protein can provide around 20 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Next is casein protein, another dairy derivative, but with a slower digestion rate. This makes it perfect for a pre-bedtime snack, supplying your muscles with a steady stream of protein throughout the night. Finally, for our vegan friends, there's plant-based protein powders. Derived from sources like peas, rice, and hemp, these can offer a substantial protein punch, often clocking in at 15 to 20 grams per serving. Protein supplements can be a great addition to your diet, especially if you're struggling to meet your protein needs through food alone. To wrap up our protein-packed discussion, we've explored the vital role of protein as a building block of life. We've taken a tour of high-protein foods that can fuel your fitness goals and delved into the world of protein supplements. But let's not forget, balance is crucial in any diet, and it's always wise to seek professional advice before introducing supplements. Remember, protein is an essential part of a healthy diet, so are you ready to power up your protein intake?